No, you're not.
Now, Hanian. Yes, Hanian. Did you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Hanian, did you all use your iPad or laptop?
We're using the laptop.
The laptop, okay. Ragad,
Yes,
do you use your laptop or iPad or tab?
laptop.
Laptop also. Okay, who uses an iPad or tab now?
I'm using.
Who? Did you hear name? Who? Tell me please your name.
Maya.
Maya.
Maya, okay, Maya. I want you now to solve this question. Right? On the
Okay.
right? يعني as on the whiteboard as I did. أيوة,
Is
thank
it
you.
like
Yes, thank you. Here, Maya, what did you need?
I have I need the average speed.
Thank you. So you have to write the formula of the speed. Write it, please.
I'm not used to it. I can't. See. Teacher, what is the number? I can't see because there's a recording sign. I can't see.
Sorry?
Can you read the question because there's a recording sign and I can't see.
Calculate your average speed if you travel 210 kilometers, 210 kilometers in 7 hours.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So this.
Okay, I can write as D. Okay, distance.
Yeah, distance over time.
Over time. Thank you.
It's gonna be like this. This 20 over t.
Okay. Now what is the distance?
Come centimeters?
200 kilometers.
200 over 7.
Over 7. Thank you. No, not 200. 210. Over 7.
It is 30.
30. Thank you. So the answer will be 30. Now what's the unit?
I don't know.
Here. I told you that it was 200 kilometers and 7 hours. So what the unit will be?
Kilometer.
Kilometer per what?
Hour.
Per hour. Thank you. Thank you, Maya. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes, teacher, thank you.
Okay. Now, let's solve F. Your average speed
Teacher,
is
this question for the quiz is the same as math, right? Like we will click the typewriter.
yes. In the essay, yes, you have to type the answer. See, in physics, you can write the formula like distance over time and write the final answer with the unit without just tell me the steps. I'll tell you.
Here in the quiz, we have to show the steps.
I told you, tell me what the formula you write, the final answer and the unit. Now look at this question here. In this one here now, I will read it as, if your average speed, okay, is 40 kilometers. So from the beginning, I'm talking about the speed formula. So the speed here now is distance over time. Now, but here now, he gave me the magnitude of the speed. He told me it is 40 kilometers per hour. Is equal to, and you have traveled for 0.5 hour. That means the time here is 0.5. What the distance will be? I need here now to find the distance. Now, also here now, the second thing in physics that's differentiated from math, that you have to look at the units before multiplying. Why? Because for this unit here, the unit is kilometer and hour. That means the distance must be in kilometer and the time, it must be in hour. So if the time is not in hour, I have to convert it. What does it mean? That means if I told you that if you traveled for 100 minutes, 120, sorry, 120 minutes, how many hours? Yes.
2 hours.
It is 2 hours, thank you. So I cannot write, if I told you as an example, you have traveled for 120 minutes. I cannot write it as 120 because it's have a different unit than the speed. So I have to rewrite it as hours. I will write it here as 2 hours as an example. Did you know how can I convert from minute to hours? I will divide by 60. Okay? Is it clear? Okay.
Yeah.
Now back to my question now. So now, since I have the same unit in time as the same unit in the speed, I can now multiply. So I can now multiply the numbers as it is, like math. 40 times 0.5 is 20. This is what will be now. This will be the distance. Now 20 what? What's the unit? Who can tell me what's the unit?
Kilometers
20
per
kilometers.
hour.
Thank you. Look at here. You have 40 kilometers per hour. The time is an hour, so the distance will be in kilometer. So I will say that the distance here is 20 kilometers. Now, at the exam tomorrow, you can write using keyboard without anything. Just write speed equal d over t And then tell me, as an example, D will be 20 kilometers. Okay?
Okay, and teacher, the hour will go with the another hour, right?
Yes, yes, it's like cancel each other, yes. And the unit also, since they are kilometer per hour times hour, they cancel each other, so you'll have only kilometer. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. I will stop recording this one now, and I will put it as